We're doing the exercise Exporting Paralogs with Biomart. The exercise question says, export a list of all human genes on chromosome 14 which have a paralog, including the gene names, the last common ancestor, and the identity between the genes. How many genes on chromosome 14 have a paralog? Click on the Biomart link in the blue navigation bar at the top of the page to go to Biomart. The first step is to choose our database and dataset. As we're interested in human genes, I'm going to select Ensemble Genes as my database and Human Genes as my dataset. The second step is to narrow down the chosen dataset of all human genes by applying filters. The Filters section is now available in the left panel. Let's click on Filters then. In this exercise, we're interested in all human genes on chromosome 14 with a paralog. Chromosome filters can be found in the Region section. Let's expand the region filters by clicking on the plus box. I'm now going to select chromosome/scaffold and choose 14 from the provided list. My chromosome filter has been now applied to my query and can be seen listed in the panel on the left. Homolog filters can be found under multi-species comparisons. Let's expand this section and select homolog filters. Paralogous human genes only are pre-selected. Our filters are now complete. We're searching for human genes on chromosome 14 with a paralog in human only. To count the number of genes meeting our criteria and test if the filters have been applied correctly, you can click on the Count button above the side menu. Out of over 67,000 human genes, there are 805 genes on chromosome 14 which have a paralog. We can now move to step 4, choosing our attributes that we want to print in our results. Let's click on Attributes in the left panel then. We were asked to output gene names, the last common ancestor, and the identity between the genes. We first need to choose the attribute type. As we are interested in the homolog data, I'm going to select homologs. Let's now expand the gene section by clicking on the plus box. Deselect transcript stable ID and transcript stable ID version, as we're not interested in these, and select gene name instead. Let's now add the paralog data from the paralogs section. I'm going to select human paralog gene stable ID, human paralog associated gene name, paralog last common ancestor with human, and 2 types of paralog % identity, target human gene identical to query gene, and query gene identical to target human gene. Our attributes have been now added to the query. The last step is to view and export the results. Please click on the Results button in the toolbar. By default, only first and rows are shown, but you can customize it using the View option. Finally, you can export all results to a file by choosing the desired file format and clicking Go to save the file on your machine.